Hello again. This is Deniz Deren from Istanbul, Turkey, reporting you the weekly news. 10 minutes ago, I was live uh, presenting you the daily news. Now it is time for weekly news. Let's start. This was the week of all time highs. Let's begin. Let me just adjust my light. Okay. Let us begin. This is the third weekly review. So I'm pretty excited. Next week, it will be my first month here in YouTube. I am pretty excited and happy about it. Today I got a shout out from someone important. I am really sorry. Serkan was the name of the guy. I'm really sorry. Serkan Bayar, yes. The CEO of Digilira Pay had did a shout out. Okay. And I gained quite a few number of followers on Twitter. Shout out to you. Thank you. Let's begin. Okay. Treasury Department gets hacked. Bitcoin did not. Jack Dorsey's Square Crypto announced their 8 Bitcoin user experience grant since their launch on 2019 summer. This will be their 20th grant to support the development of Bitcoin. Ukrainian billionaire Ihor Kolomoisky had reportedly been mining Bitcoin in his steel plant located in US. Nexus Mutual CEO Hugh Karp's wallet has been hacked for $8 million worth of NXM tokens. And they had a funny conversation after that on Twitter. The hacker doxed Hugh Karp, exposing his Ethereum addresses, 3 Ethereum addresses, and the thing was, Hugh Karp offered the hacker, I think, $300,000 to he said that he will give $300,000 to the hacker if he gives the stolen NXMs back. And then the hacker replied, I apologize. Look, Hugh, you are rich. I know your Ethereum addresses. And he showed them. He says you're filthy rich. I want I can't remember the exact like $3 million or something. I will get to that. Okay, I'll check it on the future news. So it's on 16th of December, I guess. No, never mind. Okay. People's Bank of China (PBOC) former governor Zhou Xiaochuan says digital yuan will not replace global currencies. Tether's USDT market cap hits $20 billion. Binance lists Juventus Football Club and Paris Saint-Germain fan tokens to be farmed with launch pools taken. And this is the 7th day for that, I guess. Mt. Gox trustee Nobuaki Kobayashi announced their filing of the draft rehabilitation plan. Japanese, I pause there for a moment because the name Kobayashi reminds me of something. Isn't that the guy from The Usual Suspects? Let me check just. Let me show you what I'm looking at. It was the guy. Okay, never mind. It was Kaiser Soze. Well, I don't know why I remembered that. You can't see my screen. I didn't share. Sorry. Let's move on. Japanese SBI has acquired crypto trading platform B2C2. CBOE Global Markets is planning to launch crypto indices in 2021. JP Morgan Chase's former executive Sandy O'Connor joins Ripple's board of directors. Quantic Bank becomes the first FDIC-backed US institution to offer debit card with Bitcoin rewards. In 2020, Estonia has revoked more than 1,000 licenses from cryptocurrency service providers, still leaving 400 companies licensed. Grayscale Investments' crypto assets under management has reached $13 billion. Fidelity-backed BC Group member OSL receives license from the Securities and Futures Commissions of Hong Kong to offer regulated brokerage and automated trading services for cryptocurrencies. Uniswap surpasses $50 billion in all-time trading volume. Monero sees two-year high. Bitcoin was mentioned in Chinese broadcasting company CCTV, quoted from China Securities Journal, saying Bitcoin bull market can outshine gold. PayPal stock prices see all-time high. Moving on to Wednesday. Chicago Mercantile Exchange CME announced that they will be launching Ethereum futures contracts. The Daily Beast reports that President Donald Trump is considering to pardon darknet marketplace Silk Road founder Ross Ulbricht. On Wednesday, it was confirmed that Ruffer Investments' total exposure to Bitcoin is little over $744 million. Kraken Exchange announced that they will be integrating Blockstream's Lightning Network in the first half of 2021. Cryptocurrency service provider companies based in UK who filed for registration with Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA, had been granted temporary licenses for 6 more months. German government passed new legislation allowing blockchain technology to be used for recording electronic securities. Bitcoin has seen a new all-time high today, topping about that on Wednesday, topping about 23,500 US dollars. The amount of Ethereum staked for Ethereum 2.0 has surpassed $1 billion. After being charged by US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), Robinhood settles to pay $65 million. The Graph blockchain went live on Ethereum on Thursday, and after that Binance listed them. A few other major exchange listed Graph, and the price skyrocketed after that. Coinbase has filed a draft registration to SEC for their initial public offering, and also they chose Goldman Sachs to lead their IPO. In collaboration with Blockdata, CB Insights has published their first annual Blockchain 50 list. According to data from Skew.com, Bitcoin options volume has surpassed $1.1 billion. US Department of Treasury proposes a rule that requires KYC verification for users who will be transferring their crypto holdings from exchanges to their private wallets. FTX CEO Samuel Bankman-Fried announced that they are planning to launch tokenized stock listing of Coinbase before their IPO. They did the same with Airbnb. Jonathan Atkins of Ruffer Investment has disclosed that the $745 million worth of Bitcoin investment was executed on Coinbase. FinCEN is looking to hire 2 experts in the crypto industry as high-profile advisors. Messari valued Coinbase at $28 billion. Guggenheim Partners Chief Investment Officer Scott Minerd said our fundamental work shows that Bitcoin should be worth about 400,000 US dollars. OSL Digital Securities Limited becomes the first company to be licensed and regulated cryptocurrency trading platform by Securities and Futures Commissions of Hong Kong. Bitcoin sees a new all-time high yesterday, topping over 24,000 US dollars. Bitmain's co-founder Jihan Wu is reportedly stepping down from his post to pioneer a spin-off company. Bitcoin.org was briefly taken down with a denial of service attack and recovered fast. Rapper Megan Thee Stallion is giving away $1 million worth of Bitcoin on her Twitter account to her followers who are using the Cash App. Cash App, developed by Jack Dorsey's Square, now allows customers to get Bitcoin back on the transactions made. That should do it for this week. Thank you very much for tuning in. And do not forget, one Bitcoin is one Bitcoin, and one Satoshi is one Satoshi. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you like the content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Twitter and LinkedIn. Also hit the like button, crush that like button, and comment down below. Tell me how I can improve. I'm still thinking about that Kobayashi guy, so I have a second monitor here. The Wikipedia page for Usual Suspects is open. I know that name, Kobayashi, from somewhere. I'll find it. Okay, that should do it for this week. By the way, okay, I'll show you something. Give me 1 second. It's nothing, but let's go to CoinGecko and collect the candies. I'm not sponsored, by the way. They're not paying me anything for this. I think this is my first month on collecting these candies. They have gifts, and if I manage to get this number up to, I don't know, 7,000, maybe I'll get the CoinGecko swag pack. I don't know. We'll see. Again, thank you for tuning in. Disclaimer here, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. So, oh yeah, it is 3 a.m. here. I am up every day. I'm up at 3 a.m. to give you the daily news, and on Sundays the weekly news. So I am putting a lot of effort into this. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great week. And lastly, I just saw my fiance's message. Okay. Have a great week. Have a wonderful week. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.